I apologize for what happened at the meeting, and I can assure you that
This is business and not charity. I give your golden girl 2 months. Another relapse, then she's out. I've had enough of your imposing conditions.
You cannot marry her.
I will marry her.
We haven't met before, have we? Oh, nice.
You've known me for 6 good years, Sawyer. And you never thought of medical incompatibility until now?
It's actually good to see you smile.
I really put my heart into it.
What is anything without a heart?